Good afternoon, everyone. We have John here from Pilbara Minerals, a lithium company based in Australia. Quite an interesting one, growing tremendously in market cap over the last 3 years. John, can you give us an update on the latest developments of your company?
Sure. Well, I guess we're in full construction mode now. We've got RCR out at site now, busily putting together all the foundations for our processing plant. We've had the mining contractors recently mobilised to site, and just last week, in fact, we had our first blast on site, which is quite a monumental occasion. And yeah, so it's full steam ahead on site, and busy constructing our process plant for targeting the wet commissioning in May next year.
So are you happy with the targets you have set yourself so far?
Yeah, it's a fairly aggressive timeline, but it's all going very well at the moment, and yeah, a lot of activity on site, and yeah, it's just amazing what's being done.
And what are the future steps you plan?
Okay, well, first wet commissioning of the process plant will be in June next year. Another thing we're working on, which we've recently announced, is our 5 million tonne Stage 2 expansion plan, and we're currently drilling diamond drill holes on site 24/7 to collect metallurgical core as part of that process. That's for the PFS for this study. Next year we're launching into a major drilling program in January, February. That drilling will be used to upgrade the existing resource base, the inferred part of that resource base, into indicated and measured for a targeted reserve upgrade in probably April, May next year, and then we'll finish the 5 million tonne per annum expansion definitive feasibility study in June of next year. So that'll time well with the wet commissioning and of course our first shipment of concentrate from Pilgangoora.
Right now there's a lot of talk that potential clients are approaching lithium companies directly. Have you any experience with that?
Sure. So the offtake for Pilbara Minerals is completely sold out for our Stage 1 project. Stage 2, we recently completed the offtake with a Great Wall Motor company from China, and they've actually contributed $28 million into the company and also secured offtake for the Stage 2 expansion plans. We're targeting about 800,000 tonnes of lithium concentrate with the 5 million tonne per annum expansion case. 600,000 tonnes of that is already taken, so there's 200,000 tonnes left, and we've got a lot of companies knocking on the door to see if they can get hold of that offtake. Now, I must add too that that agreement with Great Wall is the first deal with a raw materials company and a motor vehicle company.
Can you talk about your cash level and your capex?
Yeah, the capex for the project is around the $234 million to construct this plant. We're fully funded through a combination of debt and equity.
So thank you very much for the talk and all the best for the future. Thank you. Thank you.